Hi, I'm Wayne from KNA Security. Leaving your doors and windows open at night or while you're out is unfortunately a thing of the past. Security is a serious issue nowadays, with intruders becoming more brazen and more common. Just greeting someone at your front door or being at the other side of the house with a door or window open can leave you exposed. Here at KNA Security, we have one of the largest ranges of legally rated security doors and screens on the market. They provide security, airflow, are totally pet-proof, and more importantly, provide you peace of mind. Made from quality, marine-grade, high-tensile stainless steel and aluminium, they can be powder-coated in a huge range of colours or even wood-look finishes. We can provide a screen that is not only extremely strong, but will also complement your home, be suitable for coastal environments and fit your budget. They can be custom made as hinged, sliding, stacking, double doors and almost any other configuration. We can even do escape screens for fire safety or sliding servery screens. All our security doors are tested and legally rated, have strong triple locking systems and are installed to security standards by a qualified and licensed team. We are a family owned and run business and have secured thousands of homes. Most of our work comes from referral or repeat clients, and we have hundreds of real client testimonials. KNA are one of the few companies that actually manufacture security doors and screens in WA, and one of the only security door companies in Australia that research and develop their unique parts. Our factory is conveniently located in Wangara, so you can come and see what options are available to you and meet our team. Security doors and screens are not the only thing we specialise in. We can also provide high quality roller shutters that can be operated manually via electric switch, remote control and even Wi-Fi. These are great to reduce noise, control light, and they add another layer of security. We can also replace glass doors and windows. So if your sliding door is just not up to the task anymore, or you want a new updated look, we can replace the old with a brand new silky smooth door or window. Other products include alarms, CCTV and window tinting. So call us today for your obligation free measure and quote from one of our non-pushy team members.